Today I will show you the magic with AI. Hello friends, my name is Anshul and welcome to my YouTube channel Technocrat Anshul. As an interior designer, as an architect, it is really cumbersome job these days to satisfy a client with their interior needs. Through this video, I will introduce to you AI app that is Collov.AI, and I've been using this app from last 5 months and it is helping me a lot as an interior designing to render 3D images of interior designing. So let's dive into Collov.ai. I just searched Collov.ai on Google and I landed on this beautiful website that is Collov.ai. I've been using this website from last 5 months and the user interface is really good. So let's get started through try now. I will upload a picture of an empty bedroom which I have done for my client recently. It will detect all the furniture and every minute detail of that bedroom. See, it is detecting the furniture, everything like LED panels and side panels will be detected. I will choose a bedroom design from here and we can detect the furniture and it will clean all the space and it will virtual stage all the furniture which is right now in trending designs. It will give you an astonishing, extra and impressive results. See, you have many options. You can get the rendered image, you can send to your client and get the best results. So it is really increasing your productivity as an interior designer, as an architect. Currently you are watching some mind-blowing and spectacular views of AI rendered images of a bedroom. So let's try for living room, which I have done recently for my client. So I am uploading the picture again of an empty living room. See, it is detecting all the furniture and it will detect very smartly all the furniture, and I will try for a living room right now and it will space cleaning all the images and it will give me a spectacular and wonderful awesome images for a living room. See the rendered images, it will give you the best quality images. We can give the best options to our clients and it will really increase your productivity and increase your efficiency also. Best part is that you don't need to hire a professional for getting these wonderful and professional 3D rendered interior images. So let me show you some more features about Collov.ai for interior designing. Let's try it with this office only, which I am using currently for shooting purpose. So I am putting up the picture of the same office and we can detect, or it can detect all the furniture and all the interior designing, and I'm using full description and full decoration of this office. So let's try it for modern things. See, the pictures are really awesome and breathtaking. Similarly, we can choose for transitional things and let's try it for transitional. Oh my god, the pictures are really great. And another we can try for mid-century. So the best part is that you get so much themes there which are trending designs in current situation and you can send it to your customers. Collov.ai is help you home redesigning, virtual staging, wall flooring, partial remodeling and cabinet design. In below areas also, like we can choose for wall designing, cabinet designing, flooring design, countertop design, home redesign and partial redesign. So in the end I will say that Collov.ai is one of the topmost tools which I am using from last 5 months and it is getting me the best results. You have seen the magic through AI, that is Collov.ai. So through this video I am urging to all my interior designing friends and architect friends, start using AI to increase your productivity. So if you want a 25% discount on subscription, you can use the code below, that is Techno.YT. And if you have come to my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.